If you are living paycheck to paycheck, working harder at your current job is probably the worst way to fix it. Society tells you to put in more hours, ask for a 3% raise, or get a second retail job. But that is just a treadmill that is designed to keep you in the same place. And that's why millions of people spend years working full-time while still living paycheck to paycheck. Because the problem isn't effort, the problem is leverage. And to fix it, you must stop selling your time as a commodity. Instead, start learning a high-income skill, a specialized capability that solves expensive problems for businesses. In this video, I am breaking down the exact skills that can double your income in the next 6 months and a step-by-step plan to master them from scratch so that you can stop depending on your paycheck only. Stay till the end, and I'll show you the best places to learn these skills for free. Most people are trapped in what I call the commodity cycle. Their skill is easy to replace, which means companies compete to pay them less, not more. If your job can be learned in 2 weeks, outsourced cheaply, or replaced tomorrow, your income will always struggle to grow because your boss knows they can replace you by Monday morning. High-income skills decouple your income from your hours. You stop getting paid for being there and start getting paid for the results you create. If you write an email sequence that makes a company $50,000 in an afternoon, they don't care if it took you 1 hour or 10 hours. They willingly pay you more because you solved an expensive problem. And here's the best part. You don't need a 4-year college degree to learn these skills. The internet has leveled the playing field completely. Let's look at the top 4 skills killing the paycheck cycle right now. These are real-world skills businesses already pay for. And the 4th one might become one of the biggest opportunities over the next few years. The first is digital media buying. Local businesses and online brands are desperate for customers. If you can confidently spend $1 on Meta or Google ads and return $3 in sales, you are effectively printing money for them. A single client will easily pay you a $2,000 monthly retainer to manage their ad spend. Land just 3 clients, and you are clearing $6,000 a month outside your job. This skill became extremely valuable because businesses care about one thing: profitable customer acquisition. The second skill is high-ticket sales. Thousands of online companies sell premium coaching programs, consulting, or software worth $5,000 to $10,000. These founders don't have time to get on the phone with every lead. As a closer, you take those calls, handle objections, and finalize the deal. At a standard 10% commission, closing just 4 deals a month nets you $4,000 in pure profit. The third skill is conversion copywriting. This isn't creative writing or blogging. This is the psychology of words that persuade people to buy. Businesses have thousands of people visiting their websites who leave without purchasing. By rewriting their landing page or crafting a 5-part email sequence, you can double their sales conversion rate overnight without them spending an extra dollar on traffic. The 4th skill is AI integration and automation. Right now, small businesses are wasting hundreds of hours on manual data entry, customer support, and scheduling. If you can build simple automated workflows using tools like Zapier or Make, you can save a business owner 20 hours a week. They will gladly pay you a flat project fee of $3,000 to optimize their back-end systems. But learning a skill is only half the game. Most people stay stuck because they consume information endlessly without ever building proof. Because knowing the skills is useless without an execution strategy. Here is your 4-step roadmap to go from absolute beginner to getting paid without quitting your day job yet. Step 1. Deconstruct and focus. Do not try to learn all 4. Pick one skill that matches your natural interests and dedicate the next 30 days entirely to it. Watch every free YouTube tutorial, read documentation, and study the top practitioners in that space. Your goal is not mastery yet. Your goal is understanding how the skill creates money. Step 2. Build a sandbox. You need experience, but you don't have clients yet. Create fake projects. If you chose copywriting, rewrite a terrible ad you see on Facebook. If you chose automation, build a workflow that organizes your own daily schedule. Document your process. This is your portfolio. Step 3. The free work offer. Reach out to 5 local businesses or creators. Say this: I will build you 1 automation and write 1 email campaign for free. If you don't like it, you lose nothing. If you love it, all I ask for is a 60-second video testimonial. This eliminates their risk and builds your social proof. Step 4. The retainer pivot. Take those video testimonials, put them on a simple landing page, and start pitching premium clients. You are no longer an amateur asking for a chance. You are a proven specialist offering a predictable outcome. And eventually, outcomes scale far better than labor. There's a quote from Naval Ravikant that says, "Escape competition through authenticity." And I think that's important because most people spend years trying to compete in overcrowded, low-skill markets instead of becoming rare. If you dedicate just 1 focused hour a day to a valuable skill for the next 6 months, your life could look completely different next year. Not because of motivation, but because your value in the marketplace changed. If you don't want to waste time trying to figure out what to do each morning, go to the link in my description, grab my interactive 30-day Notion dashboard, and let it guide your execution step by step. So, for the next 6 months, master 1 high-leverage skill and rewrite your financial reality. And for the bonus, check the description below. And don't forget to drop a comment below with the skill you're going to learn over the next 30 days. Let's hold each other accountable. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more practical wealth-building blueprints, because clarity changes everything.